Hello, my friends. Today is a special day because it just happens to be my 39th birthday. This week is probably one of the busiest weeks that we will have all year because we're finishing up our homeschool co-op this week, which means that there's a lot of costumes and poster boards and final tests for our 4 kids. It means we're running from recital to recital and not a lot of time between all of those days to just pause. And so I want to create that today. Those moments are very special for me, very special for our family. And so we're going to try to push aside the noise for one day, and I'm going to make myself a little birthday feast to enjoy with the 5 people that I love the most in this world. So I think I have gathered up the ingredients that I need. I have this beautiful lemon thyme that I'm going to cook alongside a few other things, but Stuart and I thought it would be fun to do just some nibble food so that we could sit around, enjoy a glass of wine, play cards, just put on some music and have a wonderful time tonight. So that's exactly what we are going to do. So I want to invite you to my birthday celebration with my family this year. Thanks for being here. Now, first up, before we can even get around to cooking, is my end of day technique. It is my birthday, so I don't want to spend the whole day cleaning up all the pencils and shards of paper that also come along with the end of the school year. So I have my big old basket and I'm going to fill it with everyone's shrapnel, as I like to call it. And then I'm not going to have to put it away. They're going to have to put it away. But I got to clean the dining room before I can even host the supper. I want to take a quick break from making my birthday dinner to say thank you to Earthbreeze for sponsoring today's video. I'm here in my laundry room, my real laundry room, and I really do use Earthbreeze sheets in there because there are so many unnecessary chemicals that we're exposed to all the time. Earthbreeze has made it so simple to switch from laundry detergents, which are one of the worst culprits of chemical exposure, to just using this. Look at this. They're just these perfect little sheets and you just drop them in your washing machine. If you're like me and you think about the chemicals that you're being exposed to, then Earthbreeze sheets are such a wonderful detergent for you to switch to because they're free from brighteners and harsh chemicals, dyes and parabens, none of that stuff we want building up on our clothes. You can save 40% off with your subscription by checking out the link below the video. And now back to the birthday dinner.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Thanks. Tastes like Italy.
Mm-hmm.
Dinner for you, sir. Buon appetito. Dinner for you, ma'am. Buon appetito. And for you, sir, go wash your hands. Did you?
Happy birthday to me.
Atu, ate.
Ate?
Ate, atu.
Non lo so.
Look at that.